Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage online by using Adobe Express. And the best part, it's super easy. Hey everyone, I'm Surya, the Sunshine Ladki, a travel creator and photographer. And today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Express for online photo collage maker straight from your browser. So before we start, let's quickly understand what an online photo collage maker is. Basically, it's a tool that combines multiple photos into one beautiful layout, perfect for mood board, travel dump, aesthetic layout, or even for presentations. Adobe Express has one of the best collage maker tools out there, and I will show you exactly how to use it. First, go to Adobe Express on your browser. Just internet access. Search for Collage Maker online or click on Photo Collage Maker option that shows up on the home page. Once you are in, you will see tons of ready-made templates. Minimal, aesthetic, scrapbook style, bold, modern, anything you want. You can choose layout specifically made for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, posters, or even story formats. Pick the one that matches your vibe or brand. This is the fastest way to learn how to make a photo collage. Now it's time to add your photos. Click Add Photos and upload from your device. Adobe Express also let you pull images from Google Drive, Dropbox, or even free stock images if you don't have your own. Drag and drop each photo into the collage frames. That's literally all you have to do to start collaging photos. And this is where the fun begins. You can adjust spacing, swap images between frames, change the border thickness or round the corners. Want a specific aesthetic? Change background colors, add shadow, add text like date, location or quotes, use shapes or icon. Adobe Express makes the photo collage maker experience super smooth because everything works in a real time. You can even apply filters to the individual images to make everything look cohesive. Once your collage is ready, just hit download. Choose JPG or PNG depending on where you are posting it. And boom! Your collage is ready to post on Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, or wherever your creativity takes you. And that's it. That's how to make a photo collage on Adobe Express. If you want more tutorial like this and want me to show specific tool inside Adobe Express, drop a comment below. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.